Imagine a giant library where every single treasure box has its own spot on a shelf. Sounds cool, right? But here's the twist. No box can ever go missing, and no one can sneak one in without everyone knowing. Kind of magical, don't you think? Let's find out how this library shelf works. Picture you and your friends collecting shiny treasure boxes. Each box holds something valuable inside, like gems, cards, or tiny secrets. Now, to keep track, you line them up neatly on a library shelf. The first box goes here, the next one right beside it, and so on. Everyone can see the shelf, and everyone knows where each box belongs. That giant library shelf is what we call a ledger. In the real world, a ledger could just be a big book where people write things down. But in blockchain, it's like a digital shelf that computers everywhere can see. Once a treasure box is placed on this shelf, it stays there forever, locked safely in its spot. This way, no one can sneakily swap or remove a box without everyone noticing. Think of the ledger like a giant scoreboard in your favorite video game. Every time you earn points, the scoreboard updates instantly. No one can erase your score or sneak in fake points because the scoreboard is always telling the truth. Or imagine a superhero museum where each hero's gear is locked in its exact spot. If someone tried to sneak in a fake shield or swap a cape, everyone would notice right away. That's what the ledger does for treasures, trades, and digital items. It makes sure everything stays safe, fair, and exactly where it belongs. So now you've discovered how the library shelf of treasure boxes works. Here are the key terms to remember and share. Ledger, a giant shelf that keeps all treasure boxes in order. Treasure box, a secure container that holds something valuable. Library shelf, the place where every box is stored safely for everyone to see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.